it's Ashley from the Cliptagon, and don't worry, we miss you as much as you miss us. So we decided to do a little product box unboxing. Sign up for the Hairstylist Box Club. You get one a month. They're great, and I just, as a hairdresser, like, love getting little surprises just for me. So let's open this bad boy up. So, all right, this is our July box, and then it says what we have here. Got a bunch of little goodies. There's a pink silicone wine tumbler, a scissor headband, a rhinestone scissor hairpin, product club eco wraps, and a hairdresser shirt. So let's see what's in here. So first we got a little silicone cup. Oh my gosh, it feels like a boob. Can't wait to drink wine out of that later. That one's mine, keeping that. All right, ooh, what's in here? Little crystal jewelry. And then that is, oh, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Got a little rhinestone clip, which I will be wearing probably way more often than I should. All right, ooh. These are those clear eco wraps for highlighting. So when you do the hair, you can actually see through it to see how the hair is processing. So that's kind of exciting. Looks like we'll be doing some color when we open back up. And then, oh, got the little headband. Gonna be wearing the crap out of this for sure. All right, and then last but not least, ooh, don't fall. We've got a work shirt that I won't feel guilty ruining. All right, guys, well, that's all we got today. Hopefully we'll see you again soon when we reopen California, and love you and stay looking sharp out there.